Here I'm just going to show you how a restaurant owner can manage a food delivery via our application. Okay, so whenever a restaurant owner gets an order, he will get a real-time notification at the top of his mobile. Okay, so this is not necessarily required that he always used to keep the application on at the mobile at the background or anywhere else. This is not required. He can off our application at any point of time. He will get a real-time notification. Okay, so the restaurant owner can open by clicking this message. Okay, so he will directly get to the order screen for the same. Okay, but I'm just going to show you from the desktop. Okay, so you can open from there, and or you can just open as a generic way by clicking the application icon. Okay, so once you came into the the app screen, so you're seeing there is a order that we have right now. So we are just coming back over here. I'm just going to brief you the application first. Okay, so this is a order screen where we will manage the order. Apart from this, there is a configuration skill where you can add, modify, update your menu items. Okay, suppose I just want to update this chicken lollipop. In that case, I need to just off this application, oh sorry, this item, and then click on that and then click on update item. Okay, so I can just upload or change the images, or I can change the rate and whatever the price is, a multi portion or single portion. Okay, I'm not gonna change right now. It's only a demo. So you can also on or off your item. Suppose you don't have any quantity of a particular item, so in that case you can off that, so that a customer won't see the item at the time of ordering from your restaurant. Okay, so this is the thing. You can search the menu item, or you can sort or by the category, or you can see all. Okay, the next screen is for the dashboard. You can see the monthly sale, the weekly sale, that today how much sale you generated actually. For you can compare from today, yesterday, this month, last month, this week, last week. Okay, so there are various report. There are payment estimation report. That means how much you are earning this week. That day you gonna get a payment for that. Okay, so the payment summary report is for the payment report that you already got for your past orders. Okay, so there are trends. Okay, just like I'm showing you one trend. You can see the pie chart, or the graphical representation of the data. Okay, for example, I'm just going to show just 3 months data or 4 month data, so you can check easily. Okay, so which month is good for you or not. Okay, you can analyze this up to the 1 year data. Okay, so after that, there is a promotional display where you can set your segmented promotions. So I'm going into that. So see, if you see, there are various options for the promotion. There are brand visibility. In that case, basically you set a banner into the customer application. I will show you that. Okay, after that, there is a option for the cloud message, email message, full screen app. Okay, sorry, full screen advertisement. Okay, and few more options are there that is in line. So I'm just going to show you the cloud messaging for that. So you need to just upload an image. Okay, that will be there for the approval. After that, you can choose the segment you just want to basically promote to your own customer, or customers who are basically who ordered from duration or for a particular item. Suppose I just want to communicate to the people who ordered paneer tikka. Okay, or the values, order value, I mean who ordered more than 500, 200, 100. Okay, so this kind of segmentation you can do. Okay, after that, you need to just put the heading, or the body part, the text area actually. After that, you need to select the time slot when you want to communicate to the customers. Okay, after that, you will get all the payment kind of information. See, at the starting, you get some money into the wallet. So suppose there is 1,000 rupees in your wallet, and your communication is gonna be 1,200 rupees. Okay, so at that time, 1,000 rupees will be deducted from your wallet, and 200 rupees you need to pay for that. Okay, so this is a short of description for coming back to the main screen. Yes, now the next screen is for a generic screen where you can change your restaurant front image. You can request a create profile. Okay, various things are there. Okay, you can explore this yourself as well. So right now I'm just going to show you how to uh, to accept the order, and further work. Okay, but before that, I'm just going to show you the location. For location, you just need to click on the show location. In that case you will get to know where is the customer, how much distance is there. Okay, so it's there in voice as well, but you can see the route map. You can basically uh, uh, go by the map. By using the map you can just click on that, and then you can click on the direction, so you will get to know from which way you can reach faster. Okay, so coming back into the main screen, now I'm going to show you how to accept order. For that you need to click on the action, and there is two option for you. Either if you want to deliver by yourself, just choose the first one. If you want if you need help to deliver the thing by ourselves, I mean for the company, you just need to choose the second one. Now I'm going to just show you by the self delivery by restaurant, so I'm just going to choose the first one. Okay, a real time notification will be sent to the customer as well at that time. Okay, you can see the customer is also getting the message. This is because I do have both of the application into the same mobile, that's why both messages coming into the same. Okay, one email also coming, you can see it's all in real time. Okay, so after that, suppose I accepted the food, now I need to prepare that. Okay, after preparing the food I will click on the food ready. After that, say customer is also getting real time notifications for that. After that I need to just pick up the food. Okay, because my guy will be there to deliver the food. Okay, at that time after picking the food, your customer will also get an OTP for that. See, so the top message is for OTP, and he also got various notification for each and every changes in the status of the order. So 6543 is the OTP that the rider will require at the time of the food delivery. So I'm just going to deliver the food. Okay, what was the OTP? Is 6543. 6543. See, food has been delivered right now. Okay, and there is a notification for the same. I will also, I mean, the restaurant all will also get a notification the food is delivered or not, and the same will be get by a customer. The order has been delivered to the customer successfully. Okay, so this is all about the order management part. Okay, there are various screen that I already covered into that. That's it. A simple description. Yes, I'm not going to cover the part where our rider will deliver. In that case there is a separate application also for the rider. I'm not showing that at this point of time. Thank you.